Okay, I'm back. I got this Kershaw knife set. It's got a T-tool, 3 bits, so I think this is it, so you can tighten your knives. Got a K-tool, 3 tools, so I guess we got a bottle opener and a couple of tools right there, maybe a flat tip. Looks like it comes with 3 knives. Anyway, everyday carry set 2019promox. And it's a Kershaw. What it looks like on the back before I cut it all up. It talks about the different steel. Looks like it's using a 3C R13 Stonewashed finished steel. That in frame. Alright, let's cut it open and take a look at some of the stuff. Need a knife to get into a knife. Just kind of using my kind of everyday carry. I've been using this using this Craftsman blade. Okay. Let's see if I can get at it yet. You definitely don't want you to get in this thing. I don't know, the set cost me like 20 bucks at one of the big March store. Alright, so Kershaw. Looks like it's got a good bottle opener. This is China on the back. Kind of like that Stonewashed. Let's get the rest of these things out of here. It's just kind of an overview. And I think you get 3 tools here. I don't know how to use that yet. Oh, they're inside. Anyway, so it seemed like it was on there pretty good. Right, here we go. Try not to destroy anything. Start off with the little one. Looks like it's got little protectors. Man, it's got a nice feel to it. I don't know. It's so small. I don't even know if I want to try to open it with one hand. Looks like a little teeny pocket knife or whatever that you just stick in maybe your pocket. I don't want to get inside my light. There it is. Right here, let's set this to the side. Next up, gives us a bunch of garbage. It's kind of a interesting Kershaw. It's got some sort of a pattern there. It looks like you got a hole for a lanyard. I really like how it's got the reverse clip. I like the clip on the back end of the knife. Made in China. So it's not spring assist, but Really nice smooth action. I guess you can assist it with your flick of your wrist. Here, hold on. Alright, let's get the here, I'll set this packaging off to the side. So here's the big one. This is Kershaw on the, so we've got the serrated. I really like some serrated, good for rope cutting. Thumb stud. It's kind of a, not quite a Tonto tip, but almost. Again, it has this. Ooh, that one is definitely a spring assisted. Yeah, the 3.5, it says assisted opening liner locker. So definitely got some spring assist there. Again, I don't think there's no spring assist here. Yeah, we're just getting really nice spring assist there. I like how these tips are, because I generally get a lot of life out of a tip like that. There's no spring assist. Almost like it'd be better if there's spring assist on. Oh, see, almost got myself with that blade. It's just so small, it's hard to work. It's almost like I gotta use two hands to be safe. Okay, maybe it'd be good for a person with a smaller hand. Definitely I like liner lockers. So they're all definitely liner lockers. We got this tool. It's kind of a gimmicky looking tool. I guess we've got some bits probably inside, but again, this probably screws apart, but oh, there it is. Guess I had to be 3% smarter. Okay, so I don't know if there's any markings on these. Just kind of arrange them. I guess we got a small, medium, and large. And just a magnet. Screws in the back. It does have a water seal. So I guess the big one, yeah, it looks like the big one just fits right into there for the bigger knife. Medium size, yep. And then I guess the small for the small. Yeah, so I gave you a little tool so you can tighten down your knives when they loosen up. I don't know, I kind of like to get in here with some sort of a Loctite. That way, like the blue Loctite, so I can set them to where I can set them where I want them. I really kind of like that spring assist. All in all, pretty good deal for 20 bucks at Wally World. I mean, this one's pretty good too. Anyway, I don't know that I'm going to change my everyday carry. I really like to be able to put a new razor blade in when I got a sharp knife again, but I mean, time will tell about this metal. I don't know much about this metal. Yeah, I kind of like that. I don't know if I'd carry this on my keychain. My keychain's already kind of ridiculous. I mean, I don't have my work keys on here right now, but kind of got this sectional keychain, man, and I don't know if I want to add. I mean, it's still a pile of keys. I don't want to add one more thing to it. But anyway, it is the Kershaw Everyday Carry 2019 promox. Wow, thanks for watching.